Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the women entrepreneurs, about her case studies. So, the unit bring to the case study of the successful women entrepreneurs. The case was drawn from the different parts of the country. So, here we are discuss about the budding entrepreneurs and some may have become gender trainers, some are started the business, and some started the workshop and encourage the participations. So I will tell you about the social entrepreneurship and the retail businessman by the one woman entrepreneurship. Big group that from the Kolkata-based enterprising woman Aparna Banerjee, an alumni of the retail chain like a Reliance Fresh, Spencer and the Big Bazaar have a competition, not from the rival business prestigious Labor Relation Institute in the Jamshedpur, Bihar. Banerjee in 36 retails are goods under the name of the project Sukanya. Incidentally, the goods are not sold from the huge showroom but from the 54 roadside mobile kiosks manned by the 141 women who work in shifts. Another 3,500 women directly benefits from this project by the making products such as the handicraft items edible like papads, pickles, jam, packaged species, and the ready-to-eat lunches are also sold, and it is the coming 6 months after 500 bow carts uh, would be deployed across 18 districts again managed by the women. When they got the idea, the mobile kiosk may first step was the finalize the design and the patent is under the intellectual property rights. The project Sukanya retail chain is also a patented, says Banerjee. The project was a result extensive research based on the material gathered from the 62 villagers across India during his study on the anthropology at Calcutta University. She did logistic and simply chain management, and they realized during that the time she wanted to become a social entrepreneur. And she realized that the women need financial independence to get freedom from the restriction, abuse, and social taboos. Who struggled to the complete a study under great financial constraint. Banerjee realized that the marketing was a bottleneck of the small scale enterprises and a blocking cash within the supply chain was the advertisable. They found that the relatable was the only option, but the setting used retail space was the beyond her capabilities. She hit upon the mobile kiosk idea and worked on to the 2 years, getting all required permission and license to place them onto the roads. No loophole was the left one. The cart are manufactured at her own units. She adds, when Banerjee signed her plot project Sukanya to the Prime Minister office in 2005, PM encouraged her to go ahead, assuring assistance in the case of the hurdles. The Chief Minister of the West Bengal, Bhattacharya, also instructed his secretary to the offer support. The attractively designed sleek kiosks, which are placed at the most major crossing in the cities, easily catch the eyes. The upon women, meaning the polite and the knowledgeable about the product. Kaloki Das in 25 is the one of the smiling face of the Rationberry kiosk. Then they don't have uh, problem with the police regarding parking of a kiosk. They have paperwork watertight, and the customers are also friendly. The turnover of the project was started ruling in the early 2017 has already reached at the 10.5 million. The target was set up to the year of 2019 is the 500 millions project Sukanya, and and after that, the success of the venue is the obvious form of the fact that several big retails chains have started making offer to buy Project Sukanya as well as the patent for the mobile kiosk. But that they have committed. the women within the project and the Banerjee Sukanya is also satisfied its wing beyond the West Bengal with 13 new outlets, group of the needy women and the already been identified in the states such as Kashmir, from where consignment of the saffrons and the apple have already arrived to the sold and the mobile kiosk. So this is all about the story of the Banerjee, case study of the Banerjee. She has become started this new venture, which is the become a successful entrepreneurship, and his venture name is the Sukanya, which is also patented. So you can also done many case study and improve yourself to these stories and think more, think your business plans. Thank you.